Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today's my topic is energy security in the volatile world. We can see I will not take the past scenarios. We will talk about the present scenario. In the world, we can see that major conflicts have been because of the energy and for the fossil fuels and for the oil. We can take an example of America, which is increasing its resources day by day. First, he want to conquer the Greenland for the research and development. Secondly, he has created its impact on Western countries, and now it is targeting the Middle East countries. In Middle East countries, we can see how it impacted the Iran for his uranium enrichment. He does not want to Iran to create the uranium enrichment and does not want Iran to take control of its own oil reserves. That's why it has created a war in this scenario. Also, we can see in the eastern side, we can see China, which is trying to globally impact its dominance in the country. He has created CPEC, which is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, to increase the efficiency and reduce the time of supplies. Instead, in a part of it, he has also created various strings in the maritime nations, and with this he knew that increasing globally with most of energy and full diplomatic relations, it can improve because he knows that he is good in manufacturing sector. Also, he wants to be good in oil reserves. In the upper side of the hemisphere, in the northern hemisphere, we can see Russia, who also wants to dominate itself and increase its oil reserves, and it does not, and also it is contradictory to America, and that's why he wants to increase its dominance because if Ukraine will be a part of NATO, it will greatly influence by America, and America will take all the area of that region. So to increase its dominance, so everybody in the nation is increasing its dominance in the world by creating its geopolitics and diplomacy for the oil trade. In conclusion, I want to state the stand of India. India is unanimously a neutral state and wants everybody and is in the need of every geopolitics and every resources. So that is why he is in neutral state. Thank you.